Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do What's New Wednesday. So let's get into it. So first off, I have some unexpected happy mail from Mystic's Little Gifts, or MLG Co. This is the package that it came in. I've been holding on to it for a day or two so that we could see what it is together. Some heavy packaging. Okay, so let's see what it is. It's got elastics. This is a little thank you label. Dun, 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 dun. I think this is a jacket for, so I believe this is a jacket for B6stalogy. Oh, I wanted to get one of these, and I talked about it, so I guess now I have it. So let's take this out. I may use this for a little while for the summer. This is getting really bulky though. And that's what's going on with the spine at the moment. Too bad it's not like an art journal where you can do some pages in the front and do some pages in the back to keep it even as it grows. But anywho, so let's go ahead and pop this in. I guess I could take this out of the way for now. Please fit with the cover. Yes, it does. It's just I think I got it all the way in there, or mostly all the way in there. So that's what it would look like in the pink. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get me a raven one now that I see it. I wonder if I put the front in the front, how that would be too. If I do both. It's kind of hard to do. And I'm also a little afraid. I wanted the pink, but I'm a little afraid I might get it dirty. Let's see. Can we get that in there? Is that gonna work? I think it will. I probably have to position it a little bit more. It's getting ready to storm here, but that works. Pretty nice. Of course, all my little cutesy tootsie stuff in the front is hidden, but it still works cool. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it in there for a little while, see how I like it. And let me put the writing board back in here. And let's see. Oh, no pen loop though. Take my pen off. So I guess I'll put this away for a little while. This cover is from Angie Boutique. And let's take everything out for now. And get her up, get the clip. Get it ready to be stored away. Maybe I'll bring it back out in the fall. That does make it a little weird to close, having it in that front pocket too. But I think if I take some of the stuff out of the pockets that it will be better. Okay. And I might change the elastic to black so I can have pink and black. Okay, so that is from MLG Co. I guess I'll have to make myself a little pen loop to put on there to keep my pen. But what do you think? I'm not sure about the name of this leather. I'll find out and I'll leave it in the description box below. So that's the first item that I got. Then I got a package from Personal Planner. They reached out and asked if I would be interested in trying another product. They have products out now for back to school, so things for students and teachers. And I'll put all the information in the description box below. There is a coupon code with an expiration date, so I'll leave that below. So make sure you go and check it out. With PersonalPlanner.com, you can design your own planner. So you can pick the pages that go in your planner. You can pick the orientation of your weekly spreads if you're doing weeklies. So if you choose a mixed book, it has specialty pages. For instance, there's trackers, they have things for students, they have budget options, several different options for you to be able to make up your own notebook or planner. You can design pretty much everything. I guess I should, let me open this and then I'll tell you more. So let's see what we got. So currently I have a custom planner and a custom mixed book. I'm using the planner as a body book, and I do spreads in that over on my Patreon for all patrons. So this is what I got. Let's see. I did get stickers this time too. Let's flip this over so you can be surprised. Thank you for your order. And then I'll read that later. So these are the stickers that I got. They are a satin finish, not glossy, but if you've been watching me, you know I like the numbers and the dates and everything. So I got the date covers, the months. This says happy, goals, good job, things of that nature. And today on the little flags. And I think this is probably meant for vertical. So I got the black, then I got this black with the boxes to do today, different sizes, weekend, 1, 2, 3, top for the top 3, and then the date covers or the day covers in a script font. Can you see that? So I think I got a couple of those. Yes, I did get 2. So I think these are sets. So I got 2 of those. Then these are kind of like the colorful boxes. So you got header boxes, and these are a little bigger than half boxes. These are more like half boxes. So easy, simple to write in, customize and use them how you choose. Use them for layering stickers. So I got 2 of those, and we'll get to that. And then this is the stickers that normally come with the custom planner. So I think you're supposed to tear it apart, but it has a few numbers 1 through 10 on some flags or banners, different types, and a few headers. And these teeny tiny circles have icons on this side, and then they have words in these like be, watch, feel, etc. So that's what that looks like. Okay, so this is the planner that I ordered, and this is for next year, and I wish I had more options to customize so that this wouldn't run over her arm, but I did not. But it comes with this clear plastic cover on it. This is the design that I picked. You can pick any design you want. PersonalPlanner.com has quite a few designs to choose from, so there's tons of options. Plus you can also upload your own graphic, image, or photo to use as your cover, and you can customize the text on the cover. I chose body book on this one, and this is the A5. And I did the horizontal. I started in November of 2021. And in this version, I chose to do monthlies. I did not include monthlies in my first body book. This will be body book number 2. So this one has the monthlies. Let's see if we can move these over a little bit. So it's like that. Then you go November, December. I'm just seeing how it goes with the monthlies because, like I said, my other one does not have it. Okay, and then we go to January. Ooh. I can work with this. So I'm used to this layout. It's I chose the horizontal. This is a little less neutral than the other one, but it still is pretty neutral. I think the numbers are a little darker because of the theme that I chose. Holidays are in red, and I think I was told that in the UK, Sundays are a holiday, so that is why this is red. And this planner is made in Sweden. Also different in this one, I chose a tracker at the bottom. Now I don't necessarily have to use it. In my other body book I cover that, so, and it's light enough that it doesn't intrude if I want to decorate the page. So, but pretty much everything else is the same. I do have a little notes section, a dot grid section, I believe, over here. But the big difference is this one has monthlies. So that is cool. And then another feature, if you look on the sides, it's not as noticeable on this one as the other one, but it has color coding for each month. So, and then it looks like the monthly has the same color as the little color coding on the side. I don't know how well that's showing through, but if you hold it like this, you can see it pretty good. See, it's like a rainbow of color. And then, so I got it all the way through November of 2022. Has the first week of December. Then we get into the overview. I kind of use this as a tracker to put my doctor appointments. This gives you the vertical month. This is first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. It also has the holidays noted on this version too. Then we get into the back. These are line pages. So I got a few line pages so I can just write down some things. Then this is different. I included these trackers. They're diamond trackers. So I think each one of these, each section is 1 month. So that's 4 months there. 5, 6, 7, 8 months. Then I got the coloring sheets. I don't know, just wanted to try something different. So let's zoom in so maybe you can see them a little bit better. So that's what these are. So then I'll show you the trackers again. So these are the trackers. They're gems. And then these are the coloring pages. Let's see, at the end of the year, will I have colored any of this? I think they're just neat. And then that is it. This is the back cover. And so it comes with this pocket that you can put whatever in. So if this is going into the cover when I get ready to use it, then this will be there to protect this cover. It has it's a nice thick, sturdy cover with a glossy finish, but I still want to protect it. So I'm going to use this to do that. Okay, and it also comes with a ruler or page mark. This pops right onto the coil, easy, and it hangs over just enough to act as a page mark, if you can see that. So everyone that I've ordered so far comes with that, as well as the pocket and the elastic closure, and you can even customize down to the color of elastic closure you want. I have black for the other ones. I wanted to try something different, so this time I got gray. I could have gotten white, but I didn't want to get something that I would get dirty, so that is why I got the gray. And you just slide that into the holes that are already there. Like so and like this. And then you have your closure. These are excellent planners. I like the paper quality, very nice quality. Holds up very well so far, even with all my decorating and rough housing. It's held up quite well. I love the covers. I just didn't get another cover because I already have this one, so I'll just switch them out at the end of the year. Has a pin loop on this cover, and I don't know what else to say about it. I really like it, and I'm actually thinking about getting one to use for an everyday planner. I don't know, I'm so used to creating my own spreads, but maybe I could even just get a mixed book with all dot grid. We'll see what happens for next year. But for now, that is my PersonalPlanner.com body book for 2022. So PersonalPlanner.com has been kind enough to give me a $62.99, that's $62.99 gift card to give away. So all the information for the giveaway will be listed in the description box below. And if you win the gift card, you can use it on any of the products that they sell on their site, including a personalized custom planner. You could use it for a mixed book. You could use it for a teacher planner, a student planner, any of the accessories, a cover, anything you want. Again, the value is $62.99, and the information to enter the giveaway will be in the description box below. There will also be a discount code in the description box below. The discount is a limited time offer for the summer, so check it out and visit personalplanner.com. They do have a variety of different sizes. I've pretty much stuck with the A5, but there are other sizes. So check it out. And that's everything that I have for this What's New Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.